Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be doing well. This is your computer online video lecture. In this lecture, we will read page number 79 to 82 and we will also discuss about question A part 21 to 25 and question F part 1 of unit number 3 Modern Word. The topic of our today's lecture is printing a document. Printing a document. The document on the computer screen is called soft copy. In order to get hard copy of a document, we have to print it by using a printer. Before printing a document, we check the setting of document in preview mode. Students, आपके कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर मौजूद डॉक्यूमेंट को सॉफ्ट कॉपी कहा जाता है. But in order to get hard copy of a document, we have to print it by using a printer. And before printing a document, we check the setting of a document in preview mode. Previewing a document. This is a nice feature of Word 2010. In preview mode, a user can check the document and then make suitable editing to make it professional. In Word 2010, print preview and print options are at one location. Follow these steps to preview a document. Number 1. Click the File tab and then click Print from drop-down menu. Backstage view appears. Number 2. In Backstage view, a preview of document automatically appears. Number 3. To view each page, click the arrows below the preview. Number 4. Use zoom slider below the preview to magnify the image of the document. स्टूडेंट्स, किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट को प्रिंट करने से पहले हम प्रीव्यू मोड में से उस डॉक्यूमेंट की सेटिंग को चेक करते हैं. प्रीव्यू मोड की इम्पॉर्टेंस ये है कि इसके थ्रू यूज़र अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स को चेक कर सकते हैं और उसमें कुछ अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग एडिटिंग करके उसको एक प्रोफेशनल लुक दे सकते हैं. नाउ विल डिस्कस द स्टेप्स दैट हाउ कैन वी प्रीव्यू अ डॉक्यूमेंट. नंबर 1, you will click on File tab. After this, the drop-down menu will appear on your screen. From this drop-down menu, you will click on Print option. After this, the Backstage view will appear on your screen. Number 2, in this Backstage view, a preview of document automatically appears. Number 3, अगर आप अपने हर पेज को व्यू करना चाहते हैं, then you will click on the arrows below the preview. नंबर 4th पॉइंट इज़ कि अगर आप अपने डॉक्यूमेंट की इमेज को मैग्नीफाई करके प्रीव्यू करना चाहते हैं देन आप प्रीव्यू के नीचे मौजूद जूम स्लाइडर को यूज़ करेंगे. प्रिंट अ डॉक्यूमेंट. फॉलो दीज स्टेप्स टू प्रिंट अ डॉक्यूमेंट. नंबर 1, क्लिक द फाइल टैब एंड देन क्लिक प्रिंट. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर to go back to document and make changes before printing it, click the file tab. Number 2, properties for default printer automatically appears in the first screen. Number 3, set the properties for your printer and document that you want and then click print button to print the document. Now students, we will discuss the steps to print a document. Number 1, click the file tab and then you will click the print option. Number 2, when you will click on the print option, the properties for default printer automatically appears in the first screen. Number 3rd point is कि आप अपने प्रिंटर और डॉक्यूमेंट के लिए जो भी प्रॉपर्टीज़ आपको चाहिए आप उन प्रॉपर्टीज़ को सेट करेंगे एंड देन यू विल क्लिक द प्रिंट बटन टू प्रिंट द डॉक्यूमेंट. Different print options. Under setting, click print all pages to view these options. Choosing print all pages will print the entire document. Choosing print selection will only print the selected content. Choose print custom page to print a range of pages. For example, type 2, 4, 6 to 9 to specify a range of pages within a section. Type P page number, S section number. For example, P2, S3, P1, S4 to P7 to S6. To print an entire section, type S section number. For example, type S4. स्टूडेंट्स, किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट को प्रिंट करने के लिए आपके पास डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस मौजूद होती हैं जिसके लिए आप सेटिंग में से प्रिंट ऑल पेजेस पर क्लिक करेंगे. As you can see that here are some different print options. Number 1, if you want to print the entire document, then you will click on print all pages. And if you want to only print the selected content, then you will click on print selection. And if you want to print specific pages or sections, then you will click on print custom range. Changing paper size and source. To change paper size and source, follow the following steps. Click the File tab and then click Print, or press shortcut key Ctrl+P. Under Settings, click Page Setup. The following dialog box will appear. Click Paper tab and select the desired paper size under Paper Size heading. In order to change the paper source, number 1, click on Page Setup to display dialog box. Number 2, under Paper Source, select the paper source and then click OK button. First of all, students, we will discuss the steps that how we can change the paper size of a document. Number 1, you will click on File tab and then click Print option. Or simply you can press shortcut key Ctrl+P. After this, under the setting option, you will click on Page Setup. The Page Setup dialog box will appear on your screen. From this dialog box, you will click on Paper tab and then you will select the paper size according to your desire under the Paper Size heading. Now students, we will discuss that how can we change the paper source of a document. Number 1, you will click on Page Setup to display dialog box. Under the paper source option, you will select the paper source and then click OK button. Okay students, now open the page number 84. Question A, part 21. What is the meaning of preview in Word document? Students, you have to write down the answer of this question. And the answer of this question is, preview mean to check the setting of document before printing. Question 22 is, what is the importance of preview features in MS Word 2010? The answer of this question is on page number 80. Now move on to page number 80. You will mark from in preview mode to it professional. Question 23 is, how can we change paper size to print a document? The answer of this question is on page number 81 and 82. You will mark from to change paper size to paper size heading. Question 24. What is the procedure of removing page break? The answer of this question is on page number 71. And you will mark from follow these steps to delete it. Question 25 is, how can we remove shading in a Word document? The answer of this question is on page number 70. On page number 70, you will mark from to remove shading to no color. Question F, part 1 is, describe the different views of a document. The answer of this question is on page number 50 to 54. Now open the page number 50. You will mark from Word 2010 offers the following 5 views to denoted by dashed lines. Students, Word 2010 offers the 5 views to display a document. Number 1, print layout view. Number 2, full screen reading view. Number 3, web layout view. Number 4, outline view. And number 5, draft view. Number 1, open a blank document in Word 2010. Number 2, type is equals to rand brackets and press enter key. Students, अगर आप अपने document के views को switch करना चाहते हैं, then you can click an icon in the status bar. And the second method is that you can also click in the document views group on the view tab. Now we'll discuss the 5 views one by one. Number 1, print layout view. Students, if you want to write and edit the standard documents such as letters, reports and memos, then you will click on the print layout view. Number 2, full screen reading view. This view is used to read or review a document, and it is especially useful for proofing documents as well as reading objects. And students, in order to control the full screen reading view, you will click on 1 page or 2 page option on Zoom group of view tab. And to exit full screen reading view, you will click the close box in the upper right corner of the screen, or you can simply press escape key. Number 3, web layout view. This view is used to view and edit pages as they will appear online when opened in a browser. And by choosing Save As in the background view, a user can save pages in several web-compatible formats. Number 4. Outline View. This view is used to create, view and edit outlines. Number 5. Draft View. This view displays a document as a continuous text scroll, and page breaks are denoted by dashed lines. Okay students, that's all for today. We will meet inshallah in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.